I'm Hassan from GoGenuity platform, and we are basically an IT expense and asset management company. And we allow multiple integrations for our customers like Office 365, G Suite, Salesforce, Okta, OneLogin, and many others, so that they can sync their data into our platform and have all the integrated data so that they can analyze and whatever they want to do and make a decision effectively and efficiently. And this is our marketing website, and it displays or demonstrates all the things that we offer. And we have also attached the privacy policy and the terms of use links here so that they can read how we are using their data, and the customers can log in into our platform from here. So we are using basically the Cognito service from AWS to authenticate. So once the user is logged in, they are navigated to the dashboard page, and we are using the G Suite application, basically the Google Workspace, for two purposes. The first purpose is inside the SaaS and vendor management, so they can sync their Google account from here, and you will see like we are demonstrating the client ID in the URL for our application that they are authorizing. And these are all the scopes that we are authenticating them. So basically we are using the reports, G Suite licenses, and the audited information for the app's usages. So the purpose of these scopes is like we are fetching the licenses and applications information so that the administrator can know like how many users are using which applications and how many users are using which of the licenses they have purchased. And we are also showing the app usage data so that they can know like which application is being used by most of their company members. So these were the purpose of the scopes that we have authenticated from here. And we also have the second use case for the Google Workspace application, and that is to the sync staff so that they can fetch all the company staff members into the generative platform easily so that they do not have to manually upload the staff members one by one. And now we have added the functionality to also sync the organizational units and groups. And for this purpose, we have added two new scopes in our applications that we want to have them verified from the G Suite or the Google company. So this one and the groups, this is the additional scope that we are authenticating or making it verified. And if you see that we are also showing the client ID in this URL also. So this is the application that we are using. And once the user authenticates, basically we fetch all the organizational units and the groups so that if there is any company who do not want all of their staff to be synced, so we also allow them to sync a particular group or particular organizational unit. For example, they just want to sync the developers, and for example they just want to sync the project managers and the senior software engineers group or the organizational unit. They can simply select these organization units and click on the sync button, and we will only fetch those users instead of fetching the all of them. So we are allowing our customers to sync all users, or otherwise they can also filter them out from groups or organizational units. So that's it from our side, and I hope that this will clarify all the requirements and all the prereqs that are needed to make sure that our scopes are verified. Thanks.